Hello everyone. Today we'll see sources of water. Introduction. Rain is the main source of water. In India, rainy season lasts for 4 months, that is from June to September. In these 4 months, we get water for the entire year. Now we'll see sources of water. In this picture, you can see various sources of water. Now we'll learn about each and every one in detail. First one is river. River is a natural source of a water. Water of river is always fresh and flowing. Every monsoon, river's gate fills up with the water. Second is lake. Lake is a natural source of water surrounded by land. It has a fresh water. It can be big or small. Third one is dam. Dams are built on the river to hold the water. It can be big, small or medium. Dams are man-made resource of water. Fourth one is groundwater. Groundwater is a fresh water of rain which is soaked in the soil under the ground. We can use this water with the help of boring pump and wells. Fifth one is water well. Well water comes from groundwater. It's a man-made source of water.